Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically make like your floors light up in Heartopia. So I'm just going to add some low walls here. I'll figure out the colors later, but I'm just going to place them here. And I'm just going to also place some floorings on top as well. And let's just adjust the low walls here to cover everything up. And let's just ignore the back for right now. Let's go to others, and we are going to grab the wooden wall storage. And I'm just going to leave the colors here. You're going to place them all around this area. Okay, now we are going to place some lights. We're going to use these because they're easy to craft, and we're going to place them all around. And then last but not least, we are going to just add pillars because we're not going to close this up using normal walls. So we're going to go to building material. We're going to go to pillars. We're going to select maybe the wooden pillar, this one. Make sure it's the same color as your floors, and we're going to place it here. And I'm just going to speed this up because I don't want to bore you guys, or I think I've bored you guys enough. Okay, that took me forever, and now I'm just going to add stairs and kind of decorate it. So I'll be right back with the finished results. I might change a few things, but I'll be right back. So I ended up adding like a roof. If you wanted to know how I did it, I just added walls here. Like, okay, I actually added the half walls like here, I guess. And then I basically just made it so it's the same height, and I just placed the floors there, and I deleted all the walls and added the roof. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!